Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll drive the final segment of I-29 in Missouri, beginning at mile 99, and we'll finish up at the Iowa state line. We begin just before the northern border of Holt County and then enter Atchison County. Atchison County lies in the northwest corner of Missouri, touching both Iowa and Nebraska. Originally part of Holt County, it was detached and named Allen County in 1843. When it was officially organized in 1845, it was given the name of U.S. Senator David Rice Atchison. You may have noticed on the map that a piece of Nebraska crosses the Missouri River and pokes into Atchison County. This was caused by a river flood in 1867 that straightened out a bend in the river. The 5,000-acre section of land, known as McKissick Island, remained part of Nebraska and can only be reached by Nebraskans without a boat by road through Missouri. Atchison County has an estimated population of 5,017 as of 2020. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. At exit 107, we see the first exit for Rockport in the unincorporated community of Langdon, named for John Langdon, a railroad official. A post office was established in Langdon in 1880 and remained in operation until 1979. Local mail is now delivered through the city of Fairfax. At exit 110, we enter the city of Rockport, the county seat of Atchison County. Most of the city is east of the interstate, but the city limits extend in a strip along I-29 with travel services, hosting a large number of daytime visitors. Services such as fuel stations, motels, truck stops, fast food, and fireworks stands are included. I'm not sure how fireworks stands fit into the category of travel services, but who can pass up a good fireworks stand? In April 2008, Rockport claimed to be the first community in the United States to have its electricity 100% generated by wind power. Rockport, which uses about 13 million kilowatt hours a year, has its power generated by the Loess Hills wind farm. Excess power is sold to the Missouri Public Utility Alliance in Columbia, Missouri. Rockport had an estimated population of 1,191 as of 2019. Exit 116 leads to the village of Watson to the west of I-29. This is the last exit in the state of Missouri. Watson was platted in 1869 and had a post office from 1869 until 1965, and today has an estimated 90 residents. We conclude today's video as we cross the border into the state of Iowa. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.